Migrating your team to 7-Pace for Jira, but worried about duplicate logs or messy historical data? You're in total control. By default, installing 7-Pace syncs Jira worklogs from the last 30 days. Need more context? Set a custom cutoff date up to 180 days back to keep your migration clean and consistent. Enabling it takes 3 clicks. Go to Jira Synchronization in your side nav, switch the toggle to active, select your start date, and hit confirm. Need over 180 days? Submit a quick ticket to support. Want a completely fresh start? Pause both sync directions, wipe historical data, and restart from today. Protect your data privacy, prevent accidental duplicate logging, and transition on your own terms. Configure 7-Pace for Jira today.